face a bit weak for you. What are you doing? Working?
I'm doing my own business.
Yes, huh? Why are you wearing snake?
No lah, இதெல்லாம் சும்மா.
Not chumma.
அது ஈஷா தானே
This one
Snake
is.
lah.
This from Isha, yes.
ஈஷா யோகாவோட
Put down here. See? Why you putting snake collar, my friend?
ஐயோ கரெக்ட்
Oh, so hard to come out.
put some soap don't force it there's soap in the sink careful
Pause minute. Pause minute. What is it, my friend?
Snake.
Okay, now you got a snake here. Nice snake ring, purple color, sorry, gold color, silver color, silver, whatever, copper color. Now I made live snake and put here. What will happen?
It becomes alive.
If I have the power to make a live snake and put down here, what will happen?
You scare everybody off lah.
Exactly. Then why you wear snake on?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
How can you bring snake into your life, my friend?
Okay.
So you think it's a good thing to wear?
No.
Let's ask your soul. Your mind says it's a very good thing. Who says that?
Mind says.
Who programmed the mind?
I program the mind.
Not you program. Somebody has programmed. How can you program the mind? Like
Another
that?
guru lah, another guru, another
Not
teacher.
only guru, school teacher, advertisement, Facebook, a lot. And in this case, it's a guru. Right? It must have snake. Okay? Now I do a simple test on you. See whether your soul like it or not. Huh? Close your left hand.
Close left hand.
Put that.
Yeah.
Very good. Huh? This hand straight. Put this way. Huh? Put this way. This way. Huh? Okay. Huh? I'm going to push you. You stop me. Stop me. Huh? Good. Yeah? Now take the ring and hold it that side.
Hold or
Hold this way. Hold. Yeah? Put it like this way. Huh? Higher please. Yeah, you ready now? I'm going to push you and tell me if you're strong the hold to stop me. Can you stop me?
cannot.
Why cannot? Put it down. Water. Alright, here's a cashew nut. Put cashew nut here, okay? Hold the cashew nut. Okay? Okay. Hold now. Okay. Out. Stop me. Good. Huh? Now we'll put cashew nut in the snake ring.
Put Krishna.
Snake ring together.
Okay.
Okay, higher. Okay, now. Who is it back? Snake. How can you wear snake collar? Yeah. Something nice lah. How can lah?
So how like
Put
rings
the
and
snake
all,
and put it into your body, what happened?
but like rings and all that.
No, it's a symbol.
The symbol.
It's not a normal snake. It's a symbol.
The symbol of the snake.
Wait a minute, man. Put pause, madam.
Flower.
Flower and
Sunflower.
come here. Sunflower and
Sunflower and what's that?
the meerkat so
What's that?
meerkat
It's a cat.
what cat?
meerkat right
Mongoose.
Mongoose.
What does a mongoose do? What does a mongoose do?
Mongoose.
What does a mongoose do? Hey guys, what does a mongoose do? What will any mongoose do? Kiri pula.
oh it'll kill the snake
You eat the snake, find the snake and eat that fellow. Okay? Now you hold a mongoose, you hold a snake,
Snake.
hold a mongoose, put it here. At your place. At your place. Hold it place. At your place. Who is stronger now? Open up now. Who is stronger? Mongoose or snake?
Mongoose.
That's PVH emblem. PVH mongoose followers. Mongoose there, yeah. And the sunflower. Tedi big kadikum. Mongoose here, snake is on, double will never let go, you know. This is my dinner, this is my lunch. You find double and whack the fellow. Just like the peacock. Why will the peacock attack the cobra or snake? Why? Why, madam?
because of the eggs
It's going to eat the egg and the babies. Use the leg to push the snake, you know. What's up, my friend? Huh? You know who uses this? You know who uses this? Who? Tantrics. Is it, sir? Who uses this?
Country.
Okay. Up to you, lah, brother.
How about rings and all that?
Rain so normal, doesn't matter. But this is simple, the symbol.
The symbol of the snake.
The snake lah. Everybody is scared of snake lah. Everybody from those days lah. You know the Adam and Eve snake, Adam and Eve story. What was that problem here? Who carried the problem? Who had the problem? Snake. Even the Egyptian, oh snake, snake, everywhere snake. No, what is it? It's very, very dark and it's a part of Mother Earth. And you can just go, but don't have to catch it in the house and say, I'll pray to you to take care of me. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Correct.
So, okay, my friend? Listen, huh? Thank you.
So the like classes and all I'll see from Facebook and all that lah.
You see that?